Plant transgenesis. Plant transgenesis. Method of gene transferring in plants. Here, desired genes are selected from different types of organisms like bacteria, plant cells, and animal cells. The desired genes are transferred into plant cells through the vehicles or direct methods. During the transfer of desired genes, the desired genes are called tDNA, target DNA. tDNA means target DNA. The target DNA contains termination sequence, transgene, promoter, and marker gene. Target DNA including DNA termination genes, transgenes, promoters genes, and marker genes. These all are insertion with target DNA. The termination genes are mainly helps in identification of target DNA terminal parts. Target DNA terminal parts are identified by termination sequence called termination genes. Before these termination genes, target DNA genes are present. Target DNA promoter genes are present. These are mainly helps in proper function of target DNA in the host cell. Before the promoter gene, marker genes are present. The marker genes are mainly helps in proper insertion of target DNA into plant cells. Means including transgene. Transgene means target gene. Termination sequence are promoters and markers genes. These all genes are insertion into plant cells. A promoter sequence for correct expression. Inserted DNA sequence or gene of interest. A termination sequence to signal end of the genes. A selectable marker gene to identify transformed cells or tissues. Now, the methods of transfer genes into plants. Methods of gene transfer into plants. Mainly 3 types of gene transfer techniques are present in the plants. They are physical gene transfer technique, chemical gene transfer technique, biological gene transfer technique. Physical chemical gene transfer techniques are called direct gene transfer techniques or vectorless gene transfer techniques. Biological gene transfer techniques are called indirect gene transfer techniques or vector mediated gene transfer techniques. In this direct gene transfer techniques, the selected desired genes are directly inserted into selected target cells by the direct methods of physicals and chemical methods. In the biological method, The selected tDNA insertion into plasmid to form rDNA. rDNAs are insertion into plant cell through the vectors. So these biological gene transfer techniques are called indirect gene transfer techniques or vector mediated gene transfer techniques. So first we discussed about the physical gene transfer techniques. Physical gene transfer techniques into plants. Physical gene transfer methods. Physical instruments are used. They are called gene particle gene gun, electroporation, and micro injection. Physical gene transfer methods are particle gun, electroporation, micro injection. In this gene transfer techniques, physical instruments are used. They are particle gun, electroporation, micro injection. So particle gene gun or gene gun, particle gun or gene gun. The selected tDNAs means target DNAs. The selected tDNAs are, these are the selected tDNAs. The selected tDNAs are coated with gold or tungsten. The selected tDNA means target DNAs are coated with gold or tungsten to make tDNA bullets. See here, these are the tDNA bullets. The tDNA bullets are insertion into gene gun cylinder. The tDNA bullets are insertion into gene gun cylinder. These gene gun cylinders filled with gene target DNA bullets. By this pressure of cylinder, the gene bullets, target DNA bullets are enter into target plant cells. Enter into target plant cells. Here it is, the gene guns are two types. The gene guns are two types. They are macro gene guns and micro gene guns. In macro gene guns, here it is, these are the macro gene guns. In macro gene guns, macro tDNA bullets are used for the gene transfer to target cells. These are the macro tDNA bullets. These are coated with the gold or tungsten. The target DNA bullets are insertion into gene gun cylinder. The large size of target DNA bullets insertion into large size of gene gun. The gene guns released bullets, tDNA bullets with pressure. The tDNA bullets are transferred to target DNA cells, target plant cells. During the gene transfer technique, the tDNA bullets, these are the tDNA bullets. These are large in size, means macro gene bullets. The macro gene bullets are rupture the target cell wall. Rupture the target cell wall. During these gene transfer techniques, only few cells are received target DNA bullets. Remaining target cells are lysed by the lysis of cell wall, and that target plant cells are received target DNA bullets, and they are cultured on the nutrient medium. They are developed into new plantlet with target DNA characters. See here it is macro gene gun. Micro gene guns are in large size. They are released large size tDNA bullets. tDNA bullets mean target DNA bullets. During these transfer of target DNA bullets into host cell, into target plant cells, the cell walls are ruptured. Only few cells are received large size of target DNA bullets. They are cultured on the nutrient medium. They develop into new hybrid plant with tDNA characters. The next one, macro gene gun after micro gene gun. The micro gene gun is released micro tDNA bullets. Micro tDNA bullets means small size of tDNA bullets. The small size of tDNA bullets are easily reached to target cells through these small pores of target cell wall. Finally, by these two methods, plant cells are received target DNA by the physical method, by the gene gun. These are the gene gun machines. These are widely used in the gene transfer techniques by the physical method. Here it is gene gun cylinder. The gene gun cylinder filled with the macro or micro gene bullets, target DNA bullets. With pressure of these machine, the tDNA bullets are speedily reach to target cells, target plant cells. So these are the physical, one type of physical method during the gene transfer techniques called gene guns. The next one is electroporation. Here it is electroporation. Target DNA, they are also called GOI, gene of interest. Target DNAs are also called GOI, gene of interest. The target DNA, the target cells and target DNAs are mixed in a mixture. They are placed in a small chamber with electrodes. The electrodes are connected with specialized power supply. During the power supply, small pores or holes like structures are appeared on the plasma membrane. Before the passing of supply, the cell membrane is normal in condition. They cannot receive GOI, gene of interest. When we selected GOI, gene of interest, and target plant cells, these two are mixed in one mixture place, and the small chamber is used as a electroporation chamber. In that electroporation chamber, the selected gene of interest and target plant cells are taken. Then the small chamber connected with electrodes, the electrode connected with specialized power. When we supply power to the electrodes, on this target plant cells, pore-like structures are appeared in the plasma membrane. With the help of pores, target DNAs or gene of interest easily enter into target plant cells. If the target cells are received, target DNA, the pores are closed. Means gene of interest received by the host cell or target plant cell, the pores are closed in the plasma membrane. It is one type of gene transfer technique by physical methods called electroporation. During the electroporation, we selected target cells. Gene of interest means tDNAs are taken in a small chamber. In that small chamber, we fit electrodes. We arranged electrodes. That electrodes are connected with power. When we supplied power to the electrodes, the target plant cell plasma membrane shows pore-like appearance. If pore-like appearance are visible on the plasma membrane, the gene of interest or target DNAs are easily enter into target plant cells. When the target plant cell received gene of interest, the plasma membrane again convert into normal condition, means pore-like structures are closed after receiving of gene of interest by the plant cell, selected or target plant cells. The next one, micro injection. In this target DNA, in this method, the target DNAs are taken in capillary glass tube. The capillary glass tube is called micro injection. Capillary glass tube is called micro injection. The micro injection containing needle. While we using micro injection, the target DNAs are insertion in the capillary tube-like structure. Above these capillary tube-like structure, gas acceleration tube is present. When we filled with the capillary tube with target DNAs, the target DNAs are coated with different types of carriers. Above these capillary tube, gas acceleration tube is present. When we used pressure on the target DNAs, the target DNAs are speedily moves from the capillary tube and reach to the target plant cells. The target plant cells are received. This type of technique is called micro injection. Here it is another type of micro injection also here. The target DNAs are directly injected into nucleus. Target DNAs are directly inserted into nucleus through the micro injection. See here it is the glass tube called micro injection needle. That micro injection needle filled with target DNAs. The target DNAs containing micro injections are directly reached to the nucleus of the cell, and they are easily enter into, means the target DNAs are easily injected into nucleus through the micro injection. It is the one type of gene transfer techniques by the physical method. It is one type of micro injection. The next one is chemical gene transfer techniques. Chemical gene transgenesis. In this chemical gene transgenesis, in this chemical gene transfer methods, the selected DNAs means target DNAs are enter into target cells with the help of chemicals. Mainly polyethylene glycol chemicals are used in gene transfer techniques by the chemical methods. The tDNA means the tDNA and target DNA cells, tDNAs and target cells. tDNAs and target cells are taken in polyethylene glycol chemical. With the help of polyethylene glycol chemical, the target cell plasma membrane convert into pores-like appearance. By the pores-like appearance, the target DNAs are easily enter into target cells. So the target DNAs are easily enter into target cells through the pore-like structures of plasma membrane. Before we selected target cells, the target plant cells are containing proper cell wall. The cell wall is removed by the enzymes. By the enzymatic method, cell wall is removed. The plant cell containing only plasma membrane with nucleus called protoplast. The target plant cells and target DNAs are mixed with PEG chemicals. The two are taken in polyethylene glycol. With the help of polyethylene glycol chemical, the target plant cell plasma membrane appears pore-like structures. With the help of pore-like structures, the target DNAs are easily enter into plant cell. It is one type of gene transfer technique in plants by the chemical methods. This type of gene transfer techniques are called chemical gene transfer techniques. And the next one is biological gene transfer techniques called biological gene transgenesis. In this method, the tDNAs are insertion into target cell with the help of living microorganisms like agrobacterium. So this type of gene transfer techniques are also called agrobacterium mediated gene transfer techniques. Agrobacterium mediated gene transfer techniques. The biological gene transfer method is also called indirect gene transfer method or vector mediated gene transfer method. Mainly the vectors are Ti plasmids. The Ti plasmids are in spheroidal structure. They containing double strand DNA. They containing restriction endonuclease enzyme sites. The selected Ti plasmid, tumor inducing plasmids, are cut with restriction endonuclease enzymes, and the target DNAs. Target DNA means gene of interest. The target genes, here it is the gene of interest, insertion into Ti plasmid. The target DNA and Ti plasmids are ligased by ligase enzyme. After ligation of tDNA, target DNA and Ti plasmid to form rDNA. Here it is rDNAs are formed. That rDNA containing gene of interest, that is target DNA, insertion into Ti plasmid to form rDNA, recombinant DNA. The insertion of tDNA contains termination genes, promoter genes, and marker genes. Termination genes, promoter genes, and marker genes. Here it is the termination genes. The termination genes are mainly helps in identification of target DNA terminal parts. Before the target DNA, promoter genes are present. These are helps in proper function of tDNA into host cell. Before the promoter, marker genes are present. The marker genes are mainly helps in insertion of tDNA into host cells. Insertion of tDNA into host cells. Here it is rDNAs are formed. That rDNAs are insertion into bacterium, agrobacterium. The tDNAs are tDNA plasmids. tDNA plasmids or rDNA plasmids. tDNA containing rDNAs are insertion into the agrobacterium with the help of chemicals. The chemicals are PEG, polyethylene glycol. When the agrobacterium received tDNA, here it is agrobacterium. The agrobacterium received tDNA by the chemicals polyethylene glycol. Polyethylene glycol. The polyethylene glycol mainly helps in receiving of tDNA. tDNA means target DNA by the agrobacterium. If the agrobacterium received target DNA plasmid and the agrobacterium passed signals to the target plant cell. The agrobacterium passed signals to target plant cells. It is the first step. Bacterial and plant cell receptors. The signals are passed from the agrobacterium to target plant cell. The target plant cell received signals from the agrobacterium, and at the same time the plant cell also passed signals. The plant cell also passed signals to agrobacterium. It is the second point. When the plant cell signals received by the virulent A protein, these are present on the agrobacterium cell wall. Agrobacterium cell wall containing virulent protein. The plant cell signals received by virulent protein A. The virulent A proteins are present in the agrobacterium cell wall. Virulent A protein passed signals to virulent G protein. The virulent G protein received signals from virulent A proteins to form mRNA from the target DNA. From the target DNA, mRNA synthesized by the transcription mechanism. From the target DNA, mRNA synthesized by the transcription mechanism with the help of virulent G, virulent D1, virulent D2, and virulent E2 also. With the help of these virulent proteins, the target DNA synthesized mRNA. The target mRNA contains methyl guanine cap. It is methyl guanine cap. And genetic codes and termination region, polyadenine tail also present on the mRNA, synthesized mRNA. It is in immature condition. The immature target gene complex means immature target mRNA complex is activated by virulent F protein, virulent D protein, and virulent E2 protein. The activated mRNAs, the activated target mRNAs are enter into plant cells through the channels. The channels are made by chemicals. In this process, virulent B, virulent D4, virulent T4SS. These are helps in the formation of channel between agrobacterium and target plant cells. The target DNAs, the target mRNA enter into plant cells through the channels with the help of virulent protein F, the target mRNA enter into plant cell. Then the target mRNA participated in reverse transcription. If the target mRNA reached to plant cells, they are enter into nucleus. With the help of virulent protein F. From the plant cell cytoplasm, target mRNAs are reached to nucleus with the help of virulent protein F, and they are enter into nucleus with the nuclear pore complex. And with the help of virulent F protein. Finally, the target mRNAs are enter into plant cell nucleus, and they are participated in the transcription. They are participated in the reverse transcription. They means the target mRNAs are participated in the reverse transcription to synthesize hybrid mRNA tRNA DNA complex. The mRNA DNA hybrid nucleotides are lysed with the help of endonuclease enzymes. mRNA is removed from the complementary DNA. That complementary DNA synthesized second DNA strands with the help of DNA polymerase 3. During the synthesis of DNA, virulent E2 proteins are interacting in the synthesis of reverse transcription mechanism. By the reverse transcription mechanism, that target mRNA synthesized DNA with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme to synthesize target mRNA with complementary DNA. The target mRNA lysed by endonuclease enzyme. The target complementary DNA synthesized second strand of DNA with the help of DNA polymerase 3 enzyme. During this process, virulent E proteins also interacting with DNA, target DNA. Finally, the double strand target DNAs are synthesized. The target DNAs are combined with histone proteins, core histone proteins, to form chromosome-like structures. During the formation of chromosome-like structure, during the combination of core histone proteins, virulent F proteins are mainly helps in the formation of proper chromosome with the help of histone proteins. Finally, the chromosomes are containing, the synthesized chromosomes are containing target DNA. The target DNA present in the target plant cells. So by this technique, by this gene transfer technique, the target DNAs are insertion into target plant cells with the vector mediated technology. The vector mediated technology mainly done by Agrobacterium. Agrobacterium. The agrobacteriums are mainly used in the biological gene transfer techniques. So it is biological gene transfer techniques in plants.